back to watch another amazing video that I have for you. Of course, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I will be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as the little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, let's talk about this amazing wig that I have for you from a brand, which I've already done a couple of them right here. And I've done a couple of wigs for this company, and they have really cool wigs and some that I've actually never seen on Amazon, which is really great. And so this is actually a first for me, because it is a mid-length, 20 inches, and this gorgeously wavy long bob. This is in the color of black, or maybe a 1B. So it's really interesting. It's the first of my entire collection of something of this nature. Really excited to have, because I love long wigs, I like short wigs, but I don't have a lot of wigs that are mid-length right here, which is really cool. So let's talk about the construction of this wig. So this actually has, which is a little different than the normal Amazon wig, that actually has a longer parting right here. I don't know if you can see here, I assume that's about a 3 to 4 inch parting right here, and nude lace as well. There are 2 combs right here in the front, and there is 1 comb in the back with the fasteners. Also, this has a medium cap as well, so this would be large head friendly. It is also heat safe up to 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. I believe that's correct. I'll leave, of course, all that information down below. It comes with 2 wig caps. Now, this did come with 2 black wig caps, and I usually always use nude, but it does come with 2 wig caps right here. I'm gonna be using my nude wig cap right here that I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I call it deal of the century. I'll leave the link down below for that. Put my wigs on front to back. Whoa, I love it. I love, love, love these very beachy, fun, kind of, you know, messy waves. I love it. Okay, so let me just adjust it. Now, all I've done to this wig is just cut the lace off. So by all means, customize away however you like your wigs the best. I do have my wig brush right here. I did a video on these Amazon wig brushes, so do check that out if you're looking for a great wig brush that is a metal tipped. I do feel like this wig sheds minimally, just like your average wig. This is also 100% hand-tied wig, and honestly, which is really great, because a lot of the Amazon wigs are half-tied. So this is 100% full tied lace. So this also only has the 1 standard parting, so you can't really like create a new parting. So what I like to do, per usual, is just shift the wig cap to give myself a different look. So here this is down the middle. Let me just do a little, so you can kind of see this longer length. I really like it. I really like how fun this is, and it's very light as well. Very light in my head. It doesn't feel like it's aggressive with the amount of hair. I think it's 150% density. So let's shift this wig on my usual eyebrow, which is my left eyebrow, the good one. Okay. Not bad. I do like it like this. If I decided that I definitely wanted to always wear this wig on this side, since this is a center parting, I will just literally just trim up some of this one side just to have it equal out, and maybe I will do some face framing layers right here in the front if I do want to keep it like this. But this is not bad at all. I like it. Let's flip it to the other side to see if it gives a different look. Oh, this does give a different look. You know, I definitely felt like these two sides weren't the same. And wow, I do like it on this side a lot more. It kind of gives almost a sweep. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Even though I'm not normally one for hair in my face, like normally it bothers me, but this is really pretty. Oh, I do like it on this side. What do you guys think about this? So I do really love this wig, as it is very different than any wig that I currently own. And I'm really loving this like heavy, sweepy bang right here. Let me know what you ladies and gentlemen think about this wig. Let's all share really great information that can maybe help someone else on their wig journey or just on their journey in general. So let's all empower each other to be the best that we can be every single day. Because remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in this amazing, dark, wavy wig, wear it. And I want to thank you, and we will see you soon.